Ever since last year, I have made a lot of changes in my life, and these new habits have made me a lot more productive and happy. So in today's video, I am going to share with you 5 such habits that really changed my life and will change yours too. We are not robots. We can't be active 24 hours 365 days. Sometimes we need motivation to keep ourselves going or change some of our habits that are not working now. And for that, this video will definitely help you. If not every day, surely most of the day. Before going to bed at night, I always prepare a to-do list for the entire next day, including my household chores, office work, study, preparing worksheets for my son, vegetable or grocery shopping, or any other things according to the priority. I know a lot of people already do it, but if you are not doing this and struggling to manage your responsibilities, this will definitely help you. At first, I didn't believe much in this process, but after doing this continuously for a month, I have found a huge difference in my life, and ever since then, I am doing this every night before sleep. We all know the importance of waking up early. The popular proverb, early to bed and early to rise, makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Because morning thoughts decide our day and our days decide our life. The first sunshine, the gentle breeze, silentness of the surroundings gives a sense of hope and joy for the day ahead. By waking up early, you can have a massive control over your day. You can plan things better, complete chores ahead of time, and also get some extra time to spend efficiently later on. But the main challenge is how to wake up early if sleep quota is not finished. So to wake up early, you have to sleep early. If you are struggling how to get to bed on time, make sure your last meal should be at least 2 hours before bedtime. And you should have to cut down all your electronics devices, phones, laptops, even TV 1 hour before bedtime, because they emit a short wavelength blue light that keeps your brain active and cause eye strain, and for that you won't be able to sleep easily. So you can spend the last hour of your day wisely by reading a few pages of book, listen to any music, planning your next day, or enjoy family time with your kids and spouse. This may sound little difficult, but believe me, this habit has helped me a lot to establish a really good morning routine. The reason behind this is, when we switch on the phone in the morning, our mind gets cluttered with so much of unnecessary information, and this overload of information naturally slows us down. Instead, I use this time efficiently to do yoga or take a short walk, watering my plants, take a refreshing shower, and get ready for the day. Uncooked foods such as fruits, vegetable salads, sprouts, soaked nuts have high water and mineral content that will keep you hydrated, fresh and energetic throughout the day. We lose many vitamins and nutrients of the veggies by overcooking them. Make sure you wash them thoroughly with warm water and include them in every meal. There is already a video in the channel, What I Eat in a Day. You can watch that video to get an idea how to include uncooked foods in breakfast, lunch, snacks and dinner. I will give you the link in the description box. Now this is the most important habit that really changed my life, and if you want to take away at least one good habit from this video, this is the one for you. No matter who you are, a professional, a homemaker, a student, you can start doing meditation at least 10 minutes every day. It will help you to calm down, give away all your stress, and definitely solve most of your problems. It's better if you can do it early in the morning before starting your day. But if you won't get time in the morning, you can do it anytime when you are free. Just make sure you have not taken any heavy meal before doing meditation. If you don't know anything about meditation, just sit quietly with crossed leg, erect spine and close your eyes. Focus on your forehead and inhale fully, very slowly, and exhale out similarly. If you start practicing all these habits, I promise you, you can manage your life, roles and responsibilities far better than today.